Okay, since we're here, let's go to our wireframe mode so we can see the CAD file. And we're going to split this surface, this topo surface, into two, cutting away the parking area. Okay, so split surface, select the surface that you want split. So select this and pick lines. Since we have already drawn this in AutoCAD, so we can just pick these lines right here. So that's your property line. It goes up to here. That's your sidewalk. So that will be the curb right there. So we'll place this up to here. Right there. Select that. And select this. We'll have a nice island here. So I need to trim this. But if I trim here, let's say I trim TR, I trim here, that should be good, right? But if I trim here, that line will all disappear. So before trimming, I can split this line right here. SL is the shortcut. Split. Now that I've split that line, I can go back to trimming TR. So this is a line segment up to that point. So if I trim it, I still have that line that I can use for this part of the parking area. Okay. Awesome. Yep. So trim TR, just select the area or line segment that you want to keep. So don't trim and select these lines here. You want to keep this segment. So trim, select those two, and it will connect to the intersection. Split surface will cut the line into two. You want to split the surface, not the property line. Split surface, it asks you to select a surface. Yes. So you need to select the surface. Normally you zoom out and select the edge. That no need to say sorry. Okay. Samantha, did you pick then pick the line around parking. Yeah. So use pick line and then select the parking area. The lines that define the parking area. Yes. Let me highlight the lines that I've selected. So trim TR. Okay. very important. Okay, can I have your attention? When you split surface, the first thing you need to do, and there's a guide here at the bottom left corner. The first thing you need to do is you need to select the surface you want to split. Okay, then it grays out, and then you say pick lines. But be careful. Pick line is now. Be careful. Well, I have to get your attention. You have to be careful because pick line is on. Every time you pick one line and then you pick again, it creates another line. One on top of the other. So be careful. You might be accidentally picking lines and then creating lines, one on top of the other. And they say, it's not trimming. Well, because you have 1,000 lines on top of that line. Okay? Be careful. Okay? If you go in a shade view, visual style, shaded, you can see your split surface. Okay. Kindly right click and let's not right click. Let's isolate this. Click on this button right here, temporary hide isolate, and say isolate element.